Mga igsoon, ingon sila, actions speak louder than words. Pananglitan, kung maingon ang anak, Ma, Pa, I love you, but does not obey and instead keep secrets, we strongly doubt kung tinuod ba ang iyang pag-ingog, I love you, Mama or Papa. Because actions speak louder than words. Or pananglitan, ang imong hinigugma mo ingon, love, gihigugma ta ka, apan naa siya'y laing ka-chat. Gyud ta mailad ana, because actions speak louder than words. Sa atong espirituhanong kinabuhi, mausab na ang gitudlo ni Jesus sa atong ebanghelyo karon. Miingon ang atong Ginoo, whoever loves me will keep my word, and my Father will love him, and we will come to him and make our dwelling with him. We beg the Lord that as we continue to journey with him, through the grace of his resurrected presence abiding with us, may we truly become persons of authenticity, persons of character, or unity of life, as Saint Jose Maria Escriva would put it, that our words would sync with our actions, that what we hold dear in our faith, we may come to concretize in our daily choices, in our daily decisions, because tinuod, actions speak louder than words, but words with actions speak the loudest.